We outside today. Early bird gets the worm. You know what I'm saying, guys? I'm over here inspecting my work. Check it out, check it out. Not bad, not bad. First day on the job. I might get hired. Or I might fire myself. One or the other. Not bad, not bad. All right. There we go. Okay. All right. Work in progress, guys. You know what I mean? But yeah, we actively mining this crypto. I got the coin app running on the plow truck. I got two phones actually running in that red truck right there. So as he's moving, plowing and stuff, I'm geo-mining crypto. And as I'm walking around, I'm mining on the phone that I'm filming right now. So we're always actively mining. And then the farm at the house is doing its thing too. So we building all these passive coins, guys. Like and subscribe, stay tuned, Rosy Grove. Right now we're currently getting the snow money, so then we can reinvest it into the business. Stay tuned.